Tama ba yung ganyang attitude? You're misbehaving? Opo, tama ba yan? I will call the police na. Sige ka. Do you want mommy to call the police? Ha? Ha? Do you want mommy to call the police? I will send you to kids jail. Behave na. Paano yung behave? Yan. Good job na si Caleb. Okay. Don't cry na. Wipe your tears na. Wipe your tears na. Tears. Not ears. Wipe your tears. These are your tears. Oh, tears. Luha. Okay na. Are you okay na? Kawa. One more pa. Ikaw naman. Gaya mo si Chicken. Ano? Ikaw nga. Galing ka. Can you read this one? Caleb, basahin mo nga to. Read mo nga.
Book of Dinosaur.
Book of Dinosaur. Pakita mo yung favorite dinosaurs mo. Wow! What dinosaur is that, Caleb? Silophysis. Silophysis is like a huge... It's like a huge bird. This one. T-Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex. How about this one, anak? What's that? Triceratops. Hi, Triceratops. You sing Fly Me to the Moon.
Fly to the moon. Let me hey. Mundo. Toy. Yeah. Baba. I do. Words. Oh my. Hair. I do words. Toy. Kiss. Baba. Kiss. Hey, Manta. Toys. Baba. Other words.
Caleb, what do you want to be when you grow up? Are you 100% sure?
Yeah.
Hindi nga. One more pa, one more. Paano yung sound ng chicken? Ay, din si kayo.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, A, Z. Now I know my A, B, C. Red, E.
Yay!